Welcome back to Future Tech. Are you ready to dive into the world of highly creative workers who are on another level? Today, we've curated the ultimate collection of life hacks, tips, and tricks that will blow your mind. We've handpicked the pinnacle of creative talent from across the globe. Get ready to witness the limitless possibilities born from the minds of these brilliant workers. And who knows, you might just find yourself adopting some of their ingenious solutions into your own life. So, without further ado, let's dive into our countdown of the top 10 life hacks, tips, and tricks. Number 10. Rooftop egg delivery. Ever dreamt of the luxury of fresh eggs delivered right to your doorstep? Well, innovative workers have taken convenience to new heights by strategically placing chickens on rooftops, offering a novel solution for breakfast enthusiasts everywhere. With this creative approach, morning routines are revolutionized, ensuring a constant supply of farm-fresh eggs without ever leaving home. Number 9. Divorce portrait. Navigating the emotional turmoil of divorce can be daunting, but one individual turned pain into a masterpiece of resilience. Using a circular saw, he artfully divided a portrait, symbolizing the dissolution of a partnership. This act of creative expression not only served as a therapeutic outlet, but also showcased the transformative power of turning adversity into art. Number 8. Log-tide strategy. When faced with challenges, true ingenuity shines through. Witness as workers employ a log-tide strategy to liberate a trapped tractor from the clutches of mud. This innovative approach harnesses the forces of nature, showcasing the remarkable problem-solving abilities of individuals who refuse to be hindered by obstacles. Number 7. Simultaneous brick making. In the fast-paced world of construction, efficiency is paramount. Enter the ingenious technique of simultaneous brick making, where workers seamlessly mold multiple bricks at once. This method not only accelerates the building process, but also exemplifies the synergy between craftsmanship and productivity, resulting in structures built to stand the test of time. Number 6. Barrel rolling trick. Say goodbye to the back-breaking labor of barrel transportation. Witness the brilliance of workers as they effortlessly roll barrels using a clever trick. This innovative approach not only streamlines logistical operations, but also underscores the importance of teamwork and resourcefulness in overcoming physical challenges. Number 5. Waterfall fish catching. For those seeking a fresh catch without the hassle, look no further than the ingenious solution of waterfall fish catching. By strategically placing bins beneath cascading water, workers ensure a direct and bountiful supply of fish with minimal effort. This innovative technique not only simplifies the fishing process, but also highlights the harmonious relationship between humans and nature. Number 4. Excavator expertise. Mastering the art of excavation requires precision, skill, and a keen understanding of machinery. Watch in awe as workers deftly maneuver excavator attachments with unparalleled expertise, effortlessly tackling even the most challenging tasks with finesse. This display of technical prowess serves as a testament to the dedication and proficiency of those at the forefront of heavy-duty construction. Number 3. Bumper dent repair. Dents and dings on vehicle bumpers are no match for the ingenious repair techniques employed by skilled workers. With nothing more than a heat gun and suction cup, they seamlessly restore damaged bumpers to their former glory, leaving behind a flawless finish. This innovative approach not only saves time and money, but also showcases the artistry of automotive repair professionals. Number 2. Underground sprinkler alternative. Traditional gardening methods meet modern innovation with the underground sprinkler alternative. By attaching hoses to rotating fans, workers revolutionize plant hydration, ensuring optimal growth with minimal effort. This innovative solution not only conserves water, but also exemplifies the intersection of technology and sustainability in horticulture. Number 1. Automatic chick containment. Raising chicks has never been easier thanks to the groundbreaking invention of automatic chick containment. With a one-way cage designed for effortless management, workers ensure the well-being of young poultry with unparalleled efficiency. This humane and ingenious solution not only simplifies poultry farming practices, but also embodies the spirit of innovation in agricultural technology. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 life hacks, tips, and tricks from highly creative workers on another level. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay impressed.